Hi guys, this is the much awaited Amplify Gen 2 DevX sequence of screencasts. The first commit we will focus on is getting a basic Gen 2 Amplify DevX going. The app we will create would enable CandyTech notebooking. This is the idea where, say, I have a remote Ubuntu box in some EC2 and want to communicate from there to my mobile. I can do that using this app. So let's start. Project names are best hyphenless. Otherwise, the Java problem with hyphens in file names start interfering. So let's create the project name, CandyTech Notebook. We'll work with two Chrome profiles. My Sridhar Par GitHub Gmail profile and my Codeship profile. So let's open this Quick Start app. In my Gmail profile. So let's create the repo from template. Let the project name be CandyTech Notebook. Let it be private repo. So once this repo is created, the main branch will be used to connect to the Amplify. Okay, I forgot to key in this description, but I should have done it. Now let's exit from any Srimux sessions. I think we've done that. That maybe. Okay. Now what we do is try to clone the repo we just created. Let's cd into that. Let's create a tmux session. Okay. So first things first, need to do everything in the AWS code ship. Though not required to be in the US East one. For this app, we will nevertheless create it in US East one. Amplifying resources will be deployed in the North Virginia through an IAM user and not root. So to create an IAM user, you need to log in as root in the AWS CodeShip Chrome profile, Sridhar CodeShip Chrome profile, and create an IAM user. First, create an IAM user with administrator access in CodeShip and enter the secrets in the credential and config. So the username can be code intelli. You can attach policies directly while creating that user, and you need to attach the administrator access policy. And after that, you can click on code intelli and get the access key, uh, which you will be configuring in your MacBook Air laptop. In my case, I've already done it, so I can skip these steps and go directly to here. So now that the IAM user is configured, the first time around I had actually forgotten to give this guy console access. I enabled console access by giving it a console username password, and then you can use the uh, account number dot sign in dot aws dot amazon dot com to sign in, and from that point on you can ensure that code intelli is actually logged in as an IAM guy from this point on, which you are seeing it here, right? So this is the starting point. What you can do is go to amplify from services and create and hit create new app. So let's try that. Services, amplify, create new app. So you can select GitHub button like this, and you will not see the repo that you created because you need to update the GitHub permissions. So you're seeing only selected repo. So you can actually select the repo you just created, that is the Candy Tech notebook. You can do a save. So now it's created. Now you can go here. For some reason it kind of hangs. You can do a refresh. It will reload the page. Again, you can do GitHub, you can do next. You can now select the repo. Main is fine. You can do next. So it's saying let it create a new service role. Service roles are zero cost. Using existing roles at this point is unnecessary. So I'll say let it create a service role and hit on save and deploy. So this will basically take a few minutes to deploy. And while it's deploying, I just want to tell you that I had several problems just following the docs the first time around. Turned out that my bootstrap stack could not be created because some old buckets and container registry ECRs were lying around in the US East one from previous experiments. So example error was error bootstrapping, rollback in progress, the following resources failed to create, image publishing role, file publishing role, CDK bootstrap version, lookup role, staging bucket, cloud format execution role, container assets repository, and rollback requested by user. So to fix, I came here to this Remux and had to repeatedly run this command, that is npx aws-cdk at latest bootstrap aws colon your account number US East one hyphen hyphen profile account number US East 1. Sorry, repo name US East 1. And then uh, in the AWS console, try to view the deployed Gen2 app. So this will take a few minutes, and I think we can rejoin after.